To your attention is a 2005 Bentley Continental GT which was purchased at auction for resale. Let's take a look at its condition. The market value of this car is $15,900. The winning bid at the auction was $9,000. More spending on this car is ahead of us. The paint on the roof is a little burned out, but maybe a polish will fix it. The car as a whole requires polishing of the paintwork. The headlights need sanding, polishing, and varnishing. Bumper requires repair and painting. Wheels are shoehorned in good rubber, but the discs need a good cleaning. Not working LED strip. License plate frame will be replaced with a cooler one. Panel painting. Dent removal and painting is required. The rear fender at the bottom has minor imperfections. These will also be repaired. The driver and passenger seats require painting. Recondition expenses. Now let's take a look at the final look of this car. Total expenses, $11,335. Average profit, $4,565. And finally, this vehicle is on the Copart auction, where it was sold.